Hello YouTube, I'm back. So today I'm going to teach you how to braid this egg. Just wait. You just want this is this and 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 where is, oh yeah, oh here is here. So that's, and please the normal breathing. So after that you just wait 11 hours and 59 minutes. If you want to eat faster, just press the yes if you got more gyms. So we just plant a food like this one or this one and another one. So but that is, so that's that is for now, for today, in another life. So thanks for watching.